students, this is Mr. Ivan. This playlist is for all students that's from Sec 2 and above, Sec 2, Sec 3, Sec 4 and even Sec 5. Before you go for any major exam, mid-year or final year or prelims, make sure you go through this video and know the examples that I'm talking about in this video for your algebra. Now algebra will make up about 20% of the paper, be it algebra expression or algebra equation. So in this case, this playlist is talking about algebra expression and the kind of things that you have to take note so that you can secure all these 20 marks in your exam. Alright, the first part is when you expand, make sure you expand the inner bracket first. If you are slower, cannot visualize, okay, or cannot do many things at one time, slowly, always underline the things that you're going to do first. Okay, so when you underline, keep everything that you did not change inside. Even the bracket you don't change is also okay. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Keep the bracket outside like that. That is totally fine. And when you have a negative in front, you have to give the negative to all of them. Okay, so this will be 2x minus 2 plus 3x and minus 3. Once you are here, you can combine the terms together. 2x plus 3x, that will be 5x. Minus 2 minus 3, that will be minus 5. When the question asks you to expand, do not factorize. Okay, leave this as the answer. I have students who come to here already and they say that it is equals to 5 bracket x minus 1 and they get minus 1 mark for this. Okay, because the question only asks you to expand. Okay, so the next part, again, we must always do the bracket first. Okay, so this is a quadratic expansion. Of course, you can do the rainbow method. Okay, but when you do the rainbow method, be careful to make sure that there is a bracket here. So this guy is equals to 7x squared minus, put a square bracket here when you expand the rainbow. So some of you who have learned the multiplication frame, just a quick refresh with you to how to do multiplication frame expansion. 2x plus 1. 1 minus 3x. Multiply here. So you multiply each box with each box. This box with this box. Okay. This box with this box minus 6x squared. And this box with this box minus 3x. So what you're going to put inside is 2x plus 1 minus 6x squared minus 3x. Okay. You can either give the negative to all of them first or simplify the bracket first. Okay. So in this case, let's try and simplify the bracket. I will have 1, 2x minus 3x. That will be minus x minus 6x squared. Again, this is a factorization question. So this is an expansion question. Do not factorize. Give the negative to all the 3 components inside the bracket. 7x squared minus 1 plus x plus 6x squared. And there you have it. This would be 13x squared plus x minus 1. Do not go and factorize. It is an expansion question. Read your question properly. Okay, and so these are the other questions that you can have in expansion.